Hey, I'm Skylar. If you've ever seen the inside of an iPhone, you know that it's probably impossible to physically upgrade anything inside there. Everything is just way too small, way too precisely engineered, and you would probably physically damage it before you actually manage to improve it. Luckily, Apple engineers are pretty fanatical about efficiency gains. So if you run your software updates, chances are you'll see improvements. So I'm going to press my home button and slide to unlock my phone. From there, I'm going to go to Settings. And from the main screen, tap General. Under General, I'll see Software Update. And that will cause my iPhone to reach out to the iPhone software servers and find out if everything is in order. If it's not, it'll tell me, and I'll have the option to download and install the update, which should hopefully give me some efficiency gains and make my phone run a little bit smoother, a little bit faster. Thanks for watching. I'm Skylar.